This is the representation for error CH03. This is a communication error between the wired remote controller and the indoor unit. This error is usually caused by malfunctions in the indoor unit's PCB or problems in the communication line. You can check this error on the display of the indoor unit. Make sure that the green LED on the indoor unit panel blinks 3 times. In case that the wired remote controller is installed, you can check for a CH03 error using it. If a wired remote controller is not installed, this error generates because the remote controller was connected during installation and then it was removed after installation. This problem can be solved by simply turning off and on the power again. Check the indoor PCB. Locate the PCB cover and disassemble it. Once you have taken it away, you can see the structure, which looks like this. Check the DC voltage of the main PCB. The reading from the remote control should be 12 volts. If it is less than 10 volts, there is a malfunction. If there is a problem with the voltage, turn off the circuit breaker for indoor unit and change the PCB. After turning off the circuit breaker, disconnect the PCB terminal. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws. Finally, pull out the PCB and replace it with a new one. Turn on the circuit breaker for indoor and outdoor units. If indoor unit's main PCB is replaced with optional PCB, auto addressing is needed. To do auto addressing, press the red button on the outdoor unit's main PCB for 5 seconds, and the auto addressing will begin when the number 88 comes on the screen. It takes from 2 to 7 minutes until the setting is completely done. At this time, if 3 IDUs are installed, you can see the ID3, which display the number of IDUs. Compare this number with the number of installed indoor units. Once the auto address setting has been completed, you can check that the indoor unit addresses 01, 02, and 03 are displayed on each remote control. If there is a central control unit, the central control address must be inserted into the indoor control PCB. Press the settings button for 3 seconds on the remote controller, and once the first 2 digits are shown as 02, the last 2 digits will correspond to the address of the indoor unit. Adjust this number to the indoor unit you wish to address. Then press the OK button.